Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Megan. So for my first video, I thought it would be fun to do a very affordable, easy, everyday glam kind of look. I have been so excited to do this, and I'm so excited to make future content for you guys. Yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you like this look. So if you want to see how to get this masterpiece, I will take you into voiceover mode. I apologize. Now that I'm thinking about it, that sounded really lame, but it sounded a lot funnier in my head. But yeah, let's just get right into it. What up? So we're gonna start with brows. I'm using the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Eyebrow Cream in Espresso and just an angled Morphe brush. It has no number. It came in a pack. So I'm using this spoolie just to spoolie through, and then what I do is I start in the middle and I go towards the tail with the most product, and then whatever's left over, I just keep it for the front of my brow, and then I'm doing the same on the top. So yeah, I'm just doing that for this brow, and probably the same for the next brow. It's just the same process, and then I just lightly fill in the front, usually, just a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm just doing the exact same thing. Boom, brows, done. They're not the same length, but it's fine. Or width. So I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid liner. I was cracking my back, and I'm drinking Taco Bell. Liquid liner in black and a little like Morphe paintbrush. I don't know. And then I'm just dipping into it, whatever. And then I'm just gonna do my liner and just wing it out like that. Cool. And then pull it in and do your thing. So now I'm going to take some Q-tips, just like one Q-tip or a few, and I'm just going to use it to clean up my liner, because I can't get perfect liner in one try. I don't know who you think I am. Good. So we're going to do the same thing on the other eye, and boom, eyeliner. Magic. It's awesome. So now we're going to do lashes. Drink the Taco Bell first. Good. So we're gonna do our lashes. You're gonna need an eyelash curler and 2 mascaras. So the first thing I do is I curl my lashes and I pump it, and dance around a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express mascara and put that all over my lashes. This one is not waterproof. You can use waterproof, I mean, if that's the way you do things. But yeah, I'm just putting this all over my lashes. So exciting. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other eye. Pump it. And I'm singing, I think I was singing Bruno Mars, When I Was Your Man. Such a good song. Yeah, don't zoom in on my mouth like that ever again. That was gross. Okay, back to my lashes. I'm just still doing that. Okay, so while my lashes are drying, I'm using a tiny bit of this e.l.f. Poreless Primer just on my highlight spots, because I don't wear foundation or anything. And I'm just doing it because I think it makes my highlights stick and like stay all day. And now I'm going to take this e.l.f. powder brush and this Clinique blush in New Clover. I don't know why I showed the back. And I'm just going to really get in there. And then I'm going to pat it on first and then wipe it on so the most product gets on my cheeks. And then I spread it around. So, yeah, I'm just doing that to the other cheek. And I do it on my nose too, because my nose is really oily and I feel like it mattifies it. Okay, so now we're doing this Wet n Wild cream highlight in Win the Nude Strikes. And I'm just putting that all over my cheeks. This is like $4. Please buy it, it's so nice. And on my Cupid's bow. I do the tip of my nose, I don't do down my nose. Oh, and I was getting comfortable because my foot fell asleep. So, now I'm just blending it out so it's not a harsh line on my face. And I'm singing while doing so. I wish you could hear how horrible it is. I'm taking this Tarte blush that's way too shiny to be a blush. Like I swear they labeled it wrong. It's definitely a highlighter. And I'm putting that on top of the cream blush to kind of like set it. And you know, like, stop singing, you're doing a video. It's fine. So just like set it and like make it a little more, I don't know, skin tony. So now I'm going to take this little pencil brush thing from Morphe. All my brushes are Morphe. All my Morphe are brushes. And the Wet n Wild cream highlight, and I'm putting that underneath my brow bone and on the inner corners of my eyes, just to, you know, make me look super bright. And then I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. highlighter. Ooh, I predict the future, I already know. In Moonlight Pearls, and I'm putting that on my brow bone and on the inner corners. I use the e.l.f. one only for that reason, because it's too bright for my face. Like if you look at me from the front, it looks very gray, and the Tarte one looks better. Okay, so back to lashes. So the eyelash curler. I'm going to curl my lashes, and as you can see, I'm like pressing on the eyelash curler, like pressing on the lashes to, you know, make them like look longer. Look at that. Oh, you can't see it because it's out of focus. Okay, so I'm going to take the Mega Colossal Big Shot. It's waterproof. I accidentally bought the waterproof one and I don't have the money to buy the non-waterproof one. So I'm just putting that all over my lashes. This is what you want, this is what you don't want. Hell yeah, hell no. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing. You can't see, but yeah, I just did the same thing on the other side. And yeah, that's cool. So now you have mascara all over your lid, unless you're not clumsy like me. And I almost lost my Q-tips. And this is coconut oil in a Clinique bottle. And I'm just taking the coconut oil and, you know, getting all the mascara off my lashes. Oh, what song is this? I wish I knew. It's probably a good song though. So yeah, okay, that's cool. So now we're gonna do lips. I have two options. I have this ColourPop lippy stick in Glam bag. It's not focused. And this is the only product that I kept focused in the entire video. This Clinique lipstick in Plum Pop. And I didn't know which one I wanted, but I ended up using the Clinique one, which was a mistake. It's way too pink for my liking, I've come to realize. But, and it's not matte, and I'm more of a matte gal. Not like the name matte, but M-A-T-T-E, you know what I'm saying? So this part's really boring. It's literally just me putting lipstick on. I don't really know why it's like in the video so much. I'm just putting lipstick on. I probably should have stopped recording this because there's not really nothing to talk about, but this video is happening so fast I'm not sure it's yeah, but that's cool. So now I'm adjusting myself because my legs were falling asleep and my foot, and I was in jeans and I was uncomfortable. So now we're using the Wet n Wild setting spray and just putting that all over my face. This is the finished look. Beautiful. Fish face. Awesome. Lovely. And out of focus. Okay, bye! Hope you guys enjoyed this look. This was my super simple, everyday, glam kind of look. If you want to see more videos from me in the future, please make sure that's how you talk. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you thought that it was a cute makeup look, or if you thought that I looked really greasy. Either one is totally fine with me. Hope you have a good day, evening, morning, afternoon, night, whatever time of the day it is. I will see you guys in my next video.